Anyway, we'd like to start with, how about start with this Christmas song?
Let's have some music. Let's have it.
Mele Kalikimaka is the thing to say on a bright Hawaiian Christmas day. That's the island's greeting that we send to you from the land where palm trees sway. Here we know that Christmas will be green and bright. The sun will shine by day and all the stars at night. Mele Kalikimaka is Hawaii's way to say Merry Christmas to you. Is the thing to say on a bright Hawaiian Christmas day. That's the island's greeting that we send to you from the land where palm trees sway. Here we know that Christmas will be green and bright. The sun will shine by day and all the stars at night. Mele Kalikimaka is Hawaii's way to say Merry Christmas, Merry Merry Christmas, Merry Merry Christmas to you. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. KAPU-LP 104.7 FM. This Kahumoku family, George and Keoki Kahumoku, live in the studio.
Thank you, George. Thank you for the promo, and thank you for the music.
Yeah, don't forget, we're going to be at the World Theater at the old Fort Ord, California State University at Monterey Bay. Yeah.
What time does the concert start tonight?
It starts at 7:30.
7:30. Yeah, cool.
We'll be there.
Yeah, I'll be there. We've got front row seats.
Oh, thank you.
We got our tickets a few weeks ago.